Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to use your phone as keyboard for PC. This topic shows you how to use your phone as a keyboard if your keyboard is lost and also as a mouse, like two tools in one, or two birds in one stone. And here are the steps to use your phone as a keyboard for PC using remote keyboard desktop. First, make sure your PC and Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your PC, open the Microsoft Store and search for Remote Keyboard Desktop. Download and install the Remote Keyboard Server on your PC. Now, launch the Remote Keyboard Server on your PC. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store, search for Remote Keyboard by ZeroDev, and install the app. Open the Remote Keyboard app on your phone. Now, grant the app necessary permissions for network, access, etc. that appears on your phone or your PC by tapping Allow. And now, on your phone, the app sometimes automatically detects your PC running the server. On your phone again, tap here, then choose this option to connect on your phone to pair with your PC using the QR code option. Then allow permission, then capture the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Once connected, choose the name of your PC and the app. Open a text editor, browser, or any input field on your PC to test, and use your phone's touchscreen as a keyboard to type on the PC. And go to settings to adjust the settings in the app for layout, input language, or shortcuts as needed. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.